Hey! Just getting her dialed in, bud.
This is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Alright boys, we're getting right to it. In the last video we made this whole side pipe. You can kind of see it goes down the whole side of the car for that bank. And we're going to start today with the next one. I've already got that flange up there so I can start building out a stainless. So I'm going to start with this 90. We're going to obviously have to cut that. Alright boys, we got a lot that I want to get done in this video today. So I'm probably not gonna stop and explain a whole lot of stuff. We're gonna kind of just keep moving along, making progress. So that way the video's not 30 minutes long. All right, I think that cut was pretty good, but we're hitting the frame rail here. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get out the angle grinder and clearance that out. Who doesn't love a little bit of sketchy stuff, you know? Just getting her dialed in, bud. Cleared that frame out a little bit. I'm liking the direction that's heading in now. Stuck that flex pipe on just to make sure that would fit too. I'm gonna mark that up, take that flange off, and we'll tack it. That's tacked and bolted back up. We're gonna see on the other side, a 45 kind of ended up right where I needed it. We're gonna see if we're lucky on this side as well. It's definitely gonna need to be cut shorter. Maybe it won't once that flex pipe moves. So we've got to bend the flex pipe up a little bit, but I'm thinking that that's gonna be pretty good actually. I get around the frame rail a little bit. That'll put us right where I want to be to pie cut out to the side piece. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and roll with that. We'll tack that up. All right, I got that little Sharpie mark where I want my V-band. It's looking not too bad. Fit up's not as good as I got it on the other side. But I think we'll be okay where we're at. If I need to change it, I can go back later. But we'll tack that on and then start building our pockets. All right, I've got that V-band flange all welded up. Next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and build the hanger. Because this flex pipe needs to flex a little bit to get it to sit right in the perfect spot, before I start building out my pie cuts, I want to make sure that stays there. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this up. We will make a hanger, which I believe last night I made. It's around here somewhere. I made some extra pieces because I was making hangers for the other side last night, so I pretty much have what I need. So we'll get that in place real quick. All right, so we're back under the car. This is that hanger I was talking about that I made last night. I made the same thing for the other side and knew I'd need something similar. So I just made that, and then I'm gonna like heat it and bend it and then weld it to this where once I've got this positioned where I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting this up to the position I need. We'll get set up to weld this. All right, we're gonna try and get this welded up without catching anything on fire. I just have this crappy Harbor Freight flex core welder. I hate this thing, hate using it. Since V-bend clamps can like pivot and like sit in it any way, since it's just a circle, I'm gonna go ahead and weld this first pie cut on because the orientation of it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna tack that up real quick, and then I've got a few. I might have to make some more, and then we'll start like building out the rest of it. So all right, I got 2 pieces taped up real quick. I think I'm gonna have to make more pie cuts. These ones are like the shallower angles, and I'm gonna need some more aggressive ones to make these turns a little bit faster. So if I keep going with the smaller ones, I'm gonna end out like here, and I don't want pie cuts all the way out there. I'm I'm trying to end it basically around this area so it matches the other side. So I'm gonna need some more angled cuts. But I'll be able to tack this stuff up and then I'll probably make some of those. Of course, there's a mower running now, so sorry if you can't hear me great. Tack time. I've got to like kind of plan out where I'm going to tack this because I want all the tacks to be in the same spot so that it looks more uniform. Makes the weld come out a lot nicer. Alright, I just got those pipe cuts done. So we should be able to continue on with our side pipe now. Alright, more tacks. On the other side we used 7 pie cuts, and on this side I think I might have to use a few more. We're at 5 now, and I'm thinking we'll probably have to do 3 more, which I'm not like super concerned that there's gonna be 1 extra on that side, but I did want to keep it as symmetrical as possible. That was the end goal. But alright, I got those last 2 pieces tacked on, and I think this is gonna be the last one. I just fit up the pipe, and it was looking like it's pretty much where I want it. So I'm gonna tack this piece up, and then we will start working on getting that placed where we need it to be. All right, I got the straight piece tacked up and on. I'm gonna move to the tip. We'll get that done, and then we will put the hanger on. And then... All right, and I got that on there. Same as the other side that I did yesterday. I think it came out pretty good. I'm happy with it. So now all I gotta do is make that last hanger for the pipe piece. All right, I got all these welded out. I'm actually picking this back up like a week later from the last clip. And you won't be able to see the car because it's already painted. But I am gonna throw in a little sound clip of when we get these thrown on. So I'm gonna finish installing those real quick and then we'll take it around the block to see what they sound like. All right, again, I can't show you too much of the car, but that's what the tip's looking like. So excited to see what it sounds like. Oh, it is loud, brother. All right, you probably saw in that short clip, the Corvette's shooting huge flames down. I was not expecting that at all, but it pops like a lot. You can probably hear it in the video, but like in between shifts and stuff, it pops and it is ungodly loud. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. But yeah, now you guys are gonna go over to like a week ago when we started building the paint booth for this, so. Hey! Hey! All right, we're taking a quick break from the Corvette to explore some Mexico spots. Yeah, this should be interesting. So this could be a banging Mexico spot. Yes, sir. This is like, I don't know, it's a big industrial building. It's not vacant though, there do be...
I'm not gonna go back there.
Yeah, there's a road. There's a road. There? Go! We're just exploring, brother. This does not look... Okay, maybe don't go through the gate.
It's not like
maybe don't go through the gate.
Yeah, that's
okay, yeah.
That's barbed wire and electric.
Put her in reverse tear. So, spot 2, I think it's gonna be a no-go. I saw like all blocked off, all the good spots. Yeah. All right.
That part looks banging.
Yeah, but that one's blocked off though. All right, next spot. All right, spot number 2 appears to be gravel, which kind of sucks. All right, we're back building the paint. Colm got cold and stole my jacket already, so all I had left is the suit. I don't even think that suit ever made an appearance on the channel. I lived in that thing in the winter though. You will not get cold in the Carhartt suit, let me tell you. But we're gonna get the Corvette kind of cleaned up, get it out of here, and start building this paint booth. All right, we got all the metal shavings and everything cleaned up. Doing a bit of like sweeping and organizing stuff real quick before we start getting the paint booth stuff set up. I want it to be very dust free whenever we do this, so trying to get it as clean as we can first. Here, I got this plastic stuff, but I don't really know how to start, so we're just gonna kind of, I don't know. Yeah, send her, bud. Get her dialed in. All right, boys, quick little update. She's coming along, boys. It's looking like a boot. So, gotta keep on keeping on here. Yeah.
This is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Is it actually?
Yes, it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oof. All right, that's a booth if I ever seen one. I think we're gonna pretty much call it here. Next video should be paint, right?
Here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.